Learn how to import a plan into CostMiner. In this tutorial, we will cover how to add plans to a job. Start by clicking on Import Plan. Browse to your floor plan. Then finally, select Open. The new floor plans will be uploaded, ready for you to add to your job. Once your plans have been uploaded, scroll through the pages by using the arrows. You can choose to add your plans as vectors. This will allow you to snap the points. Or select raster for large files. Click Add for all floor plans you want to use for measuring. To rename your plans, expand the floor plan section. Click on the name of the floor plan and just type to update. By adding codes and tags to the name of the floor plan, we can easily locate a set of plans when searching. Displaying a plan is as simple as clicking on the thumbnail. If you want to delete a plan, just click the cross. To find out more about importing plans, please follow the link below to our help guide. Also, please subscribe to our channel for all new CostMiner tutorial videos.